Hi everyone, this is Osama, founder of Content Waves, and today I have a very nice update to share with you, which is object behaviors. So let me show you like what this is all about. So now if you click on this object, let's say any object above the text box or below the text box, you can make the position relative to this object. So let me show you like how it's gonna work. So for example, if I want this Twitter logo to be relative to this text box, I will click on the object and there is this button called make object sticky with text box, so you will click on it. Similarly you can do with this one as well. I will do on this one as well because I want the design to be autocorrectly or adjusted by itself. Let's click on this one. So now you will see the magic. If I like try to add new lines, you will notice everything will be adjusted by itself, which is a really time saving thing. So you don't need to like make small tweaks anymore. It will adjust your design all by itself. So this will work with any object you have on the canvas. It can work with image, text, or any SVG object. So this is the feature which we are really excited about. But let's disable this one and you will notice the difference. Like I will have to manually update this thing. So if I enable this thing, it will keep its position. So yeah, this is the feature. Let me know if you got any feedback and try it out, and yeah, have fun. Bye.